Hi everyone. Today we got to take a day trip out here to Joshua Tree. I've been wanting to come out here for a few years now, so I finally get to check this one off my bucket list. So come along with us and enjoy our little journey into Joshua Tree National Park. Come on, let's go. Garden, and we've got dogs with us today, and I don't think they can walk in here, nor probably should they. But just tons and tons of cholla cactus.
Did you walk?
Ziggy, what you doing? So we just are a little ways past the cholla garden, and now you just see them scattered. Just a few here and there. There was quite an abundance of them for a little bit there. Where Fred and Barney lives.
And she's modeling there.
What you barking at, Dee Dee? Let's go up here. They're worldly for sure. Sorry, the dogs are pulling on my arm.
Oh, I saw Joshua Tree. There's one.
I got it on video. This is White Tank Campground.
If you have America the Beautiful, I wonder if it's cheaper.
So here's a car.
There's some trash cans and full of toilets. Another Airstream.
That looks like yours, Shirley, huh? About 20 feet?
Well, it's a little bit different layout, but it's about a 20 foot.
Yeah.
Maybe 22. Such a cool area.
Oh, it is.
This would be fun to camp in, wouldn't it?
It really would be.
There's a dumpster right there. Bathrooms?
I'm okay for now. But thanks for asking.
This is really, I really like this out here.
Yeah.
This is nice. I would stay out here.
Yep.
And I guarantee you can get it half price on American Beautiful. Do you think?
Yes. Or you should. Alright guys, so we're now finally actually seeing some Joshua trees here in the park. This is one of the bigger ones. And there's several back here throughout this little area, along with cactus and everything else. The terrain is definitely still desert terrain, unlike anything I've ever seen before. So it's been an experience today, just seeing new sights and new plant life, and the weather's great today. It's in the 70s with a very light wind, so it's a beautiful day to visit the park. But yeah, loving it so far. So if you'd like to see more content like this, make sure you hit that like button for me and subscribe if you haven't already. Make any comments down below. I'll answer any questions that I can. But I appreciate you watching my channel, and we'll visit some more areas in the park. So just stay tuned. There's more to come. This is Jumbo Rocks Campground. Day limit. Reservations only.
Yeah, so you must have to go online.
Drones prohibited. And it says vehicle maximum per site is 2. A trailer and a tow vehicle are considered 2 vehicles.
So do you have to pay for both of them?
No, it says a maximum of 2.
Oh, okay.
So you can only have a trailer and a tow vehicle. You
Or
can't have a
2
trailer,
cars.
a tow vehicle, and an ATV.
I think you can only have 3 tents per site.
Yeah, 3 per site for tents. Maximum of 6 people allowed per campsite at any time. America the Beautiful and other interagency passes are accepted, and the camping fees are about half the normal rate. This is the Capra Nature Loop back in here. I'm gonna try to stay out of people's way. It's a nice little nature trail back in there. There's a lot of different people, so I don't want to try to film in people's faces. Just turned off of the highway, just came out of Joshua Tree, Cottonwood entrance, and heading back towards Quartzsite. But we stopped here at this BLM camping area. Just this is just right before you get to the park. Joshua Tree. Pretty good size area for camping. I did read some reviews on Campidium that said you need to be careful where you're parking because some of the areas have very soft sand. So before you drive in too far and decide to park somewhere, you need to just walk the area and make sure that it's going to be safe for you to park. But it goes back quite a ways, and there's plenty of space for people to camp. And as you can see, it's not real full right now. Always available. Good thing to know. There is also more camping across the road. So you can camp to the left and the right of the highway. So you should be able to find a place to camp if you want to come to Joshua Tree without camping inside the park. Okay guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video and the sites that we showed you today. We had a really great time in the park and I highly recommend it. I would come back and camp inside the park just for the experience of it. Alright everybody, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and I will see you down the road.